Now in this video we are going to learn about matrix inversion method. So it is a little bit tricky method in comparison with the Cramer's rule. Okay. First let us see the theory. We have seen like coefficient and variables which is equals to the constants, right? Coefficient into variables which is equals to the constant, like ax equals to b, det of a, determinant of a, which is not equals to 0, then go for the next step, like x equals to a inverse b, right? Like x equals to a inverse b, where a is the coefficient, x is the variables, b is the constant. When we need to check whether the determinant of a is equals to 0 or not. When it is not equals to 0, then only we are going for the A inverse. Okay, so here we are taking the A inversion, that's why it is a matrix inversion method. Okay, I hope you got the things why it is called the matrix inversion. So let us go for the one question. This is the question given. Ax equals to b. This is a format like ax equals to b, right? Then what is the a? All the coefficients you need to write. Variable coefficients is right, like 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 1. Okay, 1 2 3. Then b means it is a constant, like 3 5 10. Find the determinant of a. Determinant of a is like, right? 1 you need to write first plus minus plus 1 1 1. Okay, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 1 2, minus 2. Okay, this is how. Now for this thing you need to ignore like this, right? Like 2 into 3, which is 6, 1 into 1 1, like this. Do so, you will get the determinant of a, which is equals to minus 1. So determinant of a, we got the something value which is not equals to 0. Okay, then we are going for the inversion, like x equals to b. Transfer the x to the RHS side, then we will get the a as a inverse into b. Okay, inversion. Now inversion is a complete a separate topic. Okay, we need to find a inverse, right? It is a little bit complex. Observe carefully. Okay, after finding the inversion, later things are easy. Okay, first let us go for the inversion. Like a inverse is adjoint a by determinant a. Okay, adj a by det a. What is this adjoint a means? First, where is the actual matrix? We need to find first adjoint a. Already det a is find, right? How we need to find means, first keep a transpose here, keep a transpose, or this T represent the transpose. Okay, here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, this is the format. Okay, for the value here you need to do the things like simply keep the determinant a values like 1 5 3. It is a simple. Why? Because let us go for the second and third row. Why I kept, you will get the clear idea. For the second row, 2, right? 2 means you need to ignore like this, like 3 in 3 minus 2, which is like 1. Okay, now ignore in this format. When you ignore, so you will get 3 minus 1, which is like 2. Okay, now ignore in this format. ignore in this format, you will get 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Now for this 1 minus 1, which is like 0. Now for this you need to ignore like this, like 1 minus 2, which is like minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, which is like plus 1, right? Again. Now for this you need to ignore in this manner, like 1 minus 2, which is like minus 2, sorry, minus 1. Okay, this is the things here, right? Now this is in the transpose format. Simplify these things. When you simplify this, you will get this thing. Transpose. What is the transpose means? Whatever in the format of row will change into the column. Okay, like this, right? When you apply the transpose, this will convert into the column. If the column transpose means it will convert into the row. The thing will be the same. Okay. When you transpose, so like 1 minus 5, 3 will change into the column. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, again in this format. Okay. RJ is finished. Now let us find. Our goal is A inverse. When you divide with the determinant of A, you will get the A inverse. What is the determinant of A? Which is the 1 by minus 1. Nothing but the minus 1 only, right? Take and go the minus things to the inside. The signs will change. Okay. Now inverse is finished. Now what we need to find? We need to find the x. X is equals to A inverse of B. Inverse we got, and put the constant, like B is a constant, right? Multiply inverse and the constant, we will get the variable values. Now let us do. Now how x equals to A inverse B. What is the x? Which is the variables? What are the variables? X, Y, Z. Okay, what we got in the A inverse, keep here. What are the coefficients? 3, 5, 10. Okay, apply the matrix multiplication things. 1 into minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 1 into 5, 5, plus 5. Okay, 0 into something, which is a 0, ignorable. 5 into 3, 5.3. okay, like 5 into 3, minus 2 into 5, minus 2 into 5, minus 1 into 10, minus 10. So when you simplify this, you will get the minus 5. Same way for the below row, you will get the 6, you will get the 2 here. So when you equivalent this thing, simplification with the x, y, z, x equals to 2, y equals to minus 5, z equals to 6. Okay. This is how the matrix inversion method will be. Only the thing complicated here is finding the inverse. So in that inverse, the adjoint of A will be the little bit complicated. You need to do carefully. Remember, people will forget the transpose. Check carefully twice or thrice in making this type of matrices. Completely the value you will get in the different format. Okay, I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you.